Morning guys, and welcome to this training 20. We have got a mobility session today. It is supine, which simply means lying on your back. So bring yourself straight down and we'll get straight into it. We're going to take a knee into the chest and just hug it in there. So this session is going to be super relaxed, obviously staying in this position pretty much the whole time, give or take. So just want you to hug that knee in first of all. Big pull into the chest. What we're going to do is take this other arm out wide while still pulling that in as tight as you can. So to control your breathing throughout this whole session. Just relax it down. What we're going to do is going to take this knee out wide, gently focusing not to twist, just taking that knee out, opening up the hip. Only go as far as it allows you without moving the rest of your body. And then just hold it out wide. Again, controlling that breathing, preferably through the nose. And then let that leg sink down. And we're going to do the same on the other side. So pull in, take that arm out wide, and just pull this knee in. And gently take out to open up that hip again. As far as it allows you to go, without adjusting the rest of the body. And then allow it to come down and relax into that starting position. We're going to do the same again on both sides, so up it comes, big squeeze in first of all, and gently rotate it outward, opening up that hip. And then release, back down it goes. Same on the other side. Gently take it out. And then release down. We're going to bring one leg up, place the other one on top, and then we're going to pull that in like so. Just holding that leg up, don't want to put it too tight, still keeping the back completely flat on the floor, and just feeling that initial glute stretch. Yeah. Now I just want you to maintain this, but if you can, what you can do is still hold up this leg with just the strength of this leg. You take hold of the foot and take hold of this and use your arms to push this knee away. So you're kind of leveling out that shin, leveling out the hips, and feeling that stretch on the hips and glutes a bit more. Only if you can maintain this leg up at the same time. So pushing away there. And you can relax it down. We'll swap sides. Go for that initial pull it in. Just hold and relax, feel that glute stretch. And same again, if you're able to maintain that position with the leg, use your arm to push away, straighten out that arm, and try and level out those hips into that position there. Still maintaining flat back and relaxed. Really open up that hip, rest it down. We're going to do the same again on each side. So back up it comes, just pull it in first of all. And if you can, when you're ready, let's go for that push away again, open up that hip. and swap sides. Pull in that knee. And again, push away that knee now. We'll rest it down there. Take your arms out nice and wide. And just go gently, knee rolls side to side, loosening off that lower back. Control the movement, try not to drop it down. It's nice big rocks side to side there. Bring it back to the middle. Now you're just going to carry on with that one. If you can, you're going to lift those feet up. Same again, if you can't control it, go back to the feet down. But we don't want to be dropping down, we want to be dropping over, doing that stretch, and taking back over to the other side. Controlled movement here. Feel that stretch. I want you to keep those arms out wide so your shoulders are pinned down as you're rolling those knees side to side. Keep the feet down if it's too difficult for you. You should be able to feel that stretch, especially as you get right to the opposite side. Just keep this going side to side. Good. Bring it back to the middle and keep those knees up. Just going to bring one leg in, grab the hamstring. I can just extend up here with that straight leg. Doesn't matter if you can't get it dead straight up, you're just looking to extend it out. Feel the stretch down the back of the leg. Just loosely holding on to this leg with both hands wrapped around it. Keeping it in position. Extending up and down. Nice and gently. On this next one, we're going to extend it up and just hold it into places wherever you can get it to. And then you're just going to pull lightly with those legs. Not so you round up or anything, still staying flat on the back. You can ease it off. So like I've just got a little hang going on with my leg now, it's kind of just relaxed off. Straighten it again and pull in, feel that stretch. And then relax it off again. Ease off the hamstring, extend and pull. And then ease off. And we do 2 more on this side. Extend and pull. Ease. 1 more on this side. Extend and pull. Cool. Switch it over there. So take a hold of this as a hamstring. I'm just going to go for those extensions up and down first of all. Nice and gently. Wherever you can manage to extend up to. Reach that point and then gently control it back down. from there we're going to go the extend and pull again. So extend up, pull towards you, feel that stretch and hold. Breathe in through it and then relax it off for a second. Extend and pull. And relax. Extend and pull. Relax. Extend and pull. Cool. Nice. Alright, from that, what we're going to do, we're going to go for a really good hip stretch next. I'm going to turn this way for you so you can see here. So you're just going to take one foot out nice and wide, so it's gone directly lateral out to the side here. This foot comes on top and you gently push that foot down onto that knee. I want to take your arms out wide again, keeping that back nice and flat, and you're feeling that stretch in the hips. Just going to hold there, like so. Feel that stretch nice and gently, not pushing down very aggressively at all, and then you can ease it off and we'll swap sides. Take that leg out, foot on top, gently ease that knee down towards the floor, feeling that stretch in the hips. Keep it holding here, just breathing through it. And then we'll go back onto the other side. So ease that foot outward. Pretty much looking for your knee almost directly down from your hip. And then pushing down with that other foot there. And sink it down. Nice and relaxed. Nice, and swap it over once more, over to the side. Lightly pushing down on that knee and opening up that hip. Again, just hold here, nice and easy. From here, you're going to take one foot out wide again, and it's going to look to rock that knee in and out on its own accord now. Just kind of opening up that hip. Big circle movement, all coming from the hip. Opening up nice and wide. So it's coming to this position and it drops right into that stretch we were just forcing it into. Just trying to loosen up the hips, causing that big rotation there. One more there and back. And then swap sides, so bring this foot in, take that foot out, drop it in, and then rotate it out on the heel. Open it up, let it go as high as it can, and then rock it back and forth here. Cool. From here we're going to take it into the upper body. So you're going to take your arms up high. You're going to reach above your head, keeping those arms dead straight. Then you're going to take them wide, really squeezing the shoulder blades down into the floor. And you're going to bring back up to the top here. You're going to go up. So really squeezing the shoulder blades down, feeling that stretch in the upper back as you get to this position here. We're going to keep that engaged as we rotate it round, keeping it to the floor. Once you get to that parallel, we're going to bring it back to the top. Nice controlled here. Hit that level position and back up. And go one more here. Get to parallel, bring it to the top, and then we're just going to reverse it back. So we go out wide first, squeeze those shoulder blades together as you go out, drift upwards to the top and reach, and you can bring it back from the top to that starting position. And we're going to repeat this way around this time instead. Keeping that back flat, core engaged, but not massively engaged, just trying to kind of relax and keep relaxed in this position. We're not allowing the ribs to flare or the hips to lose their tuck, is what I mean by core engaged. You're just keeping nice and flat to the floor. Last one here, taking it back up. And back to the top there. Cool. So from here, we're going to have our elbows out parallel to our shoulders. We're going to drift our hands forwards. You may not go very far here, trying to just twist on the elbows. But you can feel that stretch as you go down. Then you're going to take it up and reach above the head. Keeping your hands to the floor, reaching up. As soon as you can get the elbows back down, do so. And then bring up here. And we're going to try and take the palms of the hands downwards as far as they'll go, but keeping the shoulders and elbows down. Then back up, hands flat, and into that press. Just going to repeat this again. Palms pushing towards the floor. And then back they go into that press. Bring it back. We're going to go for one more of these. So again, palms attempt to go flat. Open back up and reach. Back down we come. We're going to take the arms across. You're basically going to hug yourself as tight as you can, grab and hold behind your shoulders, and you're just going to roll it up. Stretch out here, and then roll it back. Lift those elbows up, and kind of arch your back to stretch out this way, and then you tuck round again, tuck down, round the back. And this time, as you open up, you can extend your arms above, arching the back as much as you can. And then you round in, take the arms up and round out that back. I'm going to go one more here, extend out, arching of the back, and then arms come in and we round. Cool. All done there. So we've been lying down for a little time, so stand up easy. But yeah, super chilled out one. A little mobility for you today. And that is the last one of this week for training 20. So as always, I'll be posting on Sunday, hopefully, the next schedule for the next coming week. So tune in for that. Otherwise, I'll see you next week. Have a good weekend.